Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name's Ken. Today's experiment is extracting your own DNA. Now, we've all done extraction of DNA with a strawberry, but this time it's going to be from you, which is super cool. What you need for this experiment is rubbing alcohol, dish soap, measuring cups, food coloring, water, flashlight, toothpicks, salt, and of course a volunteer. So what I'm going to do is show you the 8 easy steps how to do this experiment, the science behind it. So let's go. Let's have some fun. So here's the experiment first. I'll show you the 8 steps later. But can you see right on the bottom of the dark blue all that my toothpick's picking up? That's my DNA, which is super cool. I'm going to try to pull some out of the glass right here so you can see it right there. There you are. And that is super cool. That is my DNA that I was able to get. Very fun experiment. I hope you guys give this a try. So the science behind this is you extracted the cells for containing your DNA from your cheeks by swishing that saltwater solution in your mouth. Then you removed the DNA from your cheek cells by using the soap solution to break apart the cell membrane. The soap solution breaks the cell membranes that are made up of fats, just like soap breaks down the grease from your dishes. Finally, by adding the rubbing alcohol, the DNA that was extracted from your cells become visible. This is by far one of my favorite experiments. It's just so cool. So step 1 is taking 500 milliliters of water, or 2 cups, and 1 tablespoon of Vitazyme salt. Put it in, and we're going to mix it until it's completely dissolved. All right, so step 2 is taking the salt that you just stirred into here. You poured into a cup. You don't need as much there. And then you're going to swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds. Ha! That's probably the worst part of the whole experiment right there. Spit that back in. Step 4 is adding 1 drop of dish soap into it. And now we're going to gently stir without getting any bubbles involved in it right there. Try not to go too fast. You want to stir it, but you don't want to create any bubbles. Okay, step 5, we're going to add 100 milliliters into a separate cup. And have adult supervision help you here. If you get it in your hands, you definitely do want to wash it. So I already pre-measured this, so I'm not using my measuring cups, just using the cup. And after you add that rubbing alcohol, add 3 drops of food coloring into the rubbing alcohol. Like that, and stir it a little bit. Give it a stir job to stir it all up. All right, so here we're going to tip the saltwater cup and slowly pour the rubbing alcohol onto it, but very slowly so it'll layer perfectly. If you go nice and slow, it shouldn't mix. Look, just like this. That's what you want right there without it mixing. Step 7 is really easy. We're just going to wait 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So we'll be timing that, and then we'll be back to finish the experiment. All right, for step 8 here, we're going to take our flashlight and we're going to shine it behind the cup. I'll try to get in close here, and you should be able to see the lines of the DNA. Look at that. Oh, isn't that cool? You can see right there the lines coming through. I'm going to put it down. So if you like this experiment, please remember to click thumbs up and to subscribe, as it does really help my channel. Also, give this a try. Comment below if you were able to get this to go. And if you used a different color, I always use blue when I do this. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I will be back with a new experiment soon. Thanks.